Favorite niyo to. Favorite ko rin to. Paano kung... Paano kung bigla na lamang awak na hanggang iyong hands, baby? At di mo inaasahan, I'll kiss you on the lips, baby.
I love the Titus Girls!
Show up and sit and tiny virgin roses in front of I'm down, but ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Hanapin kita, saan tayo magpunta? Hindi na kahit wala. O kaya biglang mag-breakfast just to keep you interested lang. Wala lang. I just wanna do simple random things to say I love you. Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Kahit di ganon kawangis, ika'y iguguhit ko. Come and take you to a private little island, baby, that's right. And maybe share a snack that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last bite. Oh, ang daming paraan, ikaw ang tanging dahilan. Oh, babe, hanapin kita, tayo magpunta. Wala lang, o kaya may on the spot din. In this time I won't be late. Wala lang, I just wanna do simple random things to say. Hanapin kita. Wala lang, o kaya ay alay ang kantang ito. Sinulat para sa'yo. Dahil wala lang, I just wanna do simple random things to say. Simple random things to say. Simple random things to say. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Grabe kayo.